Hello and welcome back to my series. Today we'll be covering Wireshark, one of the most powerful network protocol analyzers available. Whether you're troubleshooting network issues, analyzing performance, or investigating security concerns, Wireshark is one of the most powerful tools available. In this video, I'll explain what Wireshark is, how it was developed, and why it is so widely used. Then we'll get right into some real-life use of Wireshark. Wireshark is a widely used open source network analyzer that allows users to capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. It provides a deep inspection of hundreds of protocols, making it an essential tool for troubleshooting, network analysis, software development, and security auditing. When it comes to the origin and development, Wireshark was originally named Ethereal when it was created by Gerald Combs in 1998. Its development began as a project to create an accessible, free tool for analyzing network traffic. In 2006, due to trademark issues, the software was renamed Wireshark. Since then, it has been continuously developed and supported by a community of experts, growing into one of the most trusted and comprehensive network analyzers available today. When it comes to the purpose and use, Wireshark is a powerful tool used to capture and analyze network traffic in real time. It's invaluable for network administrators, cybersecurity professionals, and developers to identify issues, troubleshoot problems, and analyze security vulnerabilities. It is also used in education to teach network protocols. With its ability to dissect numerous protocols and work across platforms, Wireshark is an essential for various network tasks. Now let's get into some real use of Wireshark. I'm gonna go right over to Kali Linux. Now you can use Wireshark just on Windows 10 or 11, but it comes pre-installed on Kali Linux. So let's do Wireshark. There you go. Awesome. So this is what everything looks like when you first load it up. Then if you want to start capturing data through your network, you're just going to press this right here. And since I'm not doing anything actually on Linux here, there's no data at all going through. If I were to come over here and just open up Firefox, you can see we load up onto kalilinux.com. You can see how much data we already got, 75 packets and counting. So that's what that looks like. I'm going to restart it. Now, one of the best uses of, here, let me stop that. Okay, awesome. One of the best uses of Wireshark is to just basically see traffic that's going on, whether you're running an Nmap scan on a certain IP address, which basically is going to allow you to see what ports are open, or if you're trying to ping an IP address and see if you're getting any responses back. It's a great tool when it comes to that. So I'm going to demonstrate actually something right now. Let's go over here. I'm going to go over to another operating system to demonstrate something. So for this, I'm going to need the IP address that I want to ping. So come over here, IP config, that load, awesome. 10027. Copy that. Wait, let me do that again. Copied, boom. So I'm going to run a ping command. Now, basically in simple terms, what a ping command is I'm sending a packet of data to this IP address on this physical device over here, or in this case, it's just the operating system. And if the operating system is on or connected to the network, I'm going to get a response back. So this is what that's going to look like over Wireshark. I'm going to throw this over here so you guys can see. Continue without saving. So I'm capturing right now. I'm going to run my ping command. Boom. And you can see this is my IP address on Kali Linux. So let's go over, let's stop. I'll stop it over here. So what's going on basically right here that Wireshark is showing is that my IP address from Linux that started the ping command is sending a packet of data or an echo to this IP address over here, the operating system over here. And if this operating system is on or connected to the network, I'm going to get a response back that's basically saying I'm here or I'm up. And you can see that's exactly what's going on over here. We get a response from 10.0.2.7. So that would mean that hypothetically, if we're trying to do a penetration test, that we can attack this IP address because we know it's on. And one of the things when it comes to pinging a physical IP address like this is you're not going to be able to ping it unless you're connected to the same network. Now, if I pick some random physical IP address of even just a number above, let's just do that. Then let's start. Continue without saving. You guys can see it's literally says unreachable actually on the command, but on Wireshark, it's not even coming up as anything, first of all. And you can see it's just saying who has 10.0.2.8, and we're not getting any responses at all. So that means either we're not connected to the same network as its physical IP address, or it's just unreachable. So I don't think I went over it. All a physical IP address is the IP address that your physical operating system is assigned. So if I come over to my regular Windows system and do a IP config, you can see that my physical IP address for this computer slash operating system is that. And if I'm not connected to the same network, let's see, Control C, clear, boom, over here, ping, boom. You can see since we're connected to the same network, I'm actually getting a response. So I'm just going to stop that right there. But if this was a random computer and we weren't connected to the same Wi-Fi, I wouldn't be able to ping it or do anything like that. So that's basically how that goes. Now, a response of a public IP address, which would be an IP address for a website you visit, the IP address for your router, anything like that, you're going to be able to ping regardless of where you are actually located. Now, another thing I like to do when it comes to ping commands is come over here and just hit a ping google.com. So now I'll usually do this if I'm not sure if my Wi-Fi is working, and this is showing that my Wi-Fi is working because I'm able to ping a physical IP. I'm at a public IP address, which means that my Wi-Fi is working. I would be able to ping a physical IP address without any Wi-Fi at all because we're connected to the same network, so we're able to talk to each other basically. But my ping wouldn't be able to get outside of the physical network or whatever we're connecting to, so I wouldn't be able to ping um, a public IP address without Wi-Fi. So you can see basically this is the public IP address for google.com, and that's what that's going to look like. You can see the difference even with the numbers from a public IP address compared to like the one we were pinging like this. I'm sure there's something technical, like I'm not sure, but I think there's something technical that all physical IP addresses share that public IP addresses don't to distinguish from the two. Excuse me. But you guys can see all the stuff we're seeing over here. Same difference. My IP address pinging that, sending a response, then getting a response back. And you can see since it's google.com, it's showing that obviously they have really good um, security when it comes to stuff like that. I'm getting pinged from other IP addresses as well, not just the one we're pinging. But yeah, we're getting responses back, stuff like that. So yeah, we're definitely going to be using Wireshark a lot throughout this series, especially when it comes to penetration testing this operating system over here, because we're basically going to be running a bunch of Nmap scans over here, and we can watch them using Wireshark, which I believe that's going to be the next video. So Wireshark is definitely a tool that I like. So that concludes our review of Wireshark, a crucial tool for network analysis and troubleshooting. I hope this video helped you understand its purpose, development, and a wide range of uses in networking and cybersecurity fields. So definitely expect Wireshark to be a prominent tool throughout the rest of the series. Thank you.